We have one activity planned for you guys. So for those of you online, please, you can also join us. This is a very simple activity. I urge you to use the chat box if you're not able to unmute yourself. And for those who are here, so the activity is, let's all close our eyes just for a few seconds. Close our eyes. And imagine we're going on a picnic. Okay. Imagine we're going on a picnic. Close your eyes. We're going on a picnic and you have to bring an item. Okay. Now you can open your eyes. Okay. And we have to associate, you have to associate your name with that item. So it has to rhyme. So I'll give you an example. So my name is Ted and I'll bring the bread. My name is Ankita and I'll bring the pasta. So, Chaitya.
My name is really bad, so I'll use my pet name. My name is Chaittu, and I'll bring the Raitu.
No, Raita, that works. Raita works. All right. So we have a few participants with us. Can you give us your name and associate an item with it? Okay. You have to associate a food item with it, like for a picnic. What would you bring to a picnic? Yeah. Okay. So your name is Sharat and you're bringing fruits. Okay. And you?
My name is Karthik.
Okay. Try rhyming it no with your name. Try rhyming it with your name. What would you bring that rhymes with your name? If you can. If you can't, then we'll proceed. Like you can bring the drink.
Hard to come up with something rhyming that you can eat with my name.
Okay. So anything is fine. Just
Yeah,
go
I would
ahead.
go for drinks.
Okay. Next, please.
My name is Kirtana, and my family, everyone calls me Kitu. So I think maybe I'll get a little junk, but Cheetu.
Okay, Cheetos. All right. That's a good one.
My name is Shojna. I will bring orange.
Okay, great.
My name is Udaya. I think I'll bring Uttapam.
Okay.
Okay, my name is Nikhil. I'll bring some spaghetti. I don't know, it's not rhyming.
My name is Vishal, and I'll bring stuff for.
Bring dal, no?
Okay.
Yeah, bring dal.
My name is Sagesh. I'll bring sandwich.
Okay, sandwich. Fair enough.
My name is Sundar. My friends used to call me Sundu. And what I will bring pizza.
Okay. Try
Rhyming you need. Sundu, actually I choose sandwich.
Chunda. Okay, you'll bring chunda.
Okay.
Yeah, please, could someone read it out? Okay, my name is Bharti. I will bring spaghetti. Mrs. Bharti, could you suggest something else? Am I audible? It's okay. My name is Adekar. I will bring vada pav. Oh, nice. We have vada pav, we have spaghetti, we have pizza, we have sandwiches, we have chundu, we have Cheetos, and we have
Cheetos. Chundos, Cheetos.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let's proceed further. Yeah. They can unmute now. Can you hear me now? Is it audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, perfect. Yeah, okay, got it. Okay, so what we have in store next, now that we've broken the ice and we've, gotten to know each other a little, we're going on a journey It's going to be a video, and it's just a few, past VCs that we've conducted, virtual cafes that we've conducted, these sessions. And I think it's going to be really empowering to see how we've proceeded and how we've come this far. So let's have a look at that, please.
Dubai for inviting me, for organizing this. I think it's really very important to get together and discuss these subjects in these challenging times that we're passing through. And so what I'll be sharing is some things I have learned over the years from my own experiences, but also some amazing things I've heard from great teachers that I've had the good chance to encounter.
Can I just ask one of the organizers to just raise their hand in the box when it's time for me to stop? Because once I get started, you might be here all day.
What's the difference between this living mode and existing mode? It comes down to what I choose to see, where I choose to place the focus of my mind. I may not be able to control what life brings to me, but I can absolutely control how I wish to receive it.
Car is not working. Actually, I don't even have a car. I have an Activa, but I see that my car is not working. And then I see my friends and family. Okay, they are passing by, but no one even stops to help me. What kind of a dream is that?
What do you see? Maybe you could unmute and answer those who wish to. What do you see?
Circle line.
Circle line, okay. Yes.
It's like a hotspot.
A snail.
A snail. That's a very modern answer. A snail, okay. All right.
It's a spiral.
Spiral, all right. Anything else? Anything different?
It's white.
You're going in circles. You're going round and round in circles.
Okay.
It's mosquito coil.
That's another interesting one.
Because as we identify ourselves, so our love will flow in a certain direction. And in the spiritual class that I was studying this morning, and there was a quote that those with non-loving intellects, or the non-loving consciousness, will be led to their own demise or destruction or self-harm.
Cream lovers here. That should be everyone. If you're not raising your hand, there's something wrong with you.
as an individual that's been on the field of service for almost 40 years, I have up to minimum 3 hours of meditation a day to keep that energy alive of love and mercy and compassion.
If you came here for the first time, if you can raise your hands.
Dan, who is joined from Australia all the way from. So I know him also for some time. Dan, he is very, very light in terms of his nature. And also, I could see that a lot of love he expressed through his presence. So I appreciate that the lightness and loving nature of Dan, and I'm passing this ball to Dan.
Motivating. It helps us to discover ourselves and explore new ways of self-development. It's very encouraging and very supportive, and yes, definitely want to be in next time.
And on your cameras, we're just going to get into a quick activity here.
Do you mind if I can stay off camera? I'm not in a position to share my screen right now. Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.
But I'm interested to stay online, so please allow me.
Please. Yeah,
Thank
no
you.
problem at all. Yes. So
I have attended a training in IIM Ahmedabad where they gave us the questions. They gave some answers and then they gave a question. They made us to remember and then answer. So we were all thinking of answering all the questions correctly because we wanted to show that we have a good memory.
Icebreaker, it was fun. It was amazing. No worries.
Thank you very much.
Okay, great.
Because there are some people around whom you feel nice, you feel happy around them. Who are these people and why do you feel happy? This is what is one aspect of healing. The people are one aspect of healing. And people themselves don't feel. It is their presence, it is their vibration. What do they think? What do they tell you? That creates an energy around you.
You know, sometimes the professors bombard so much of an information that those people who have got so much of weird dreams with the dark circles, they also are in a beautiful, blissful sleep, you know.
Zero exists, right? But it's nothing. When we use it, it becomes something and it will add on as much as we want. So using wisdom, we create.
हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो ना हो
Good evening, everybody. Firstly, thank you so much, Ajay, for preparing this amazing video. I'm sad that I was not there in the entire video, so I'm going to, talk to you later. But thank you so much, everybody, to come over here. You guys chose IPL finals. Instead of IPL finals, you guys chose Virtue Cafe's 10 years celebration. And my name is Chaitya. I might be a new face for some of you, but for me, RYC, that is Raj Yoga Meditation, I've been a part of this from a long, long time, since I was like this much. Again, welcome all of you. Just to give a bit of introduction for everybody who's new over here, Raj Yoga meditation basically focuses on just one principle, that is giving back to the society, making a positive change in the society. And we do that through a lot of different sessions like Virtue Cafe, as you all are here. We have Enlighten Kids for kids between the age of 6 to 11. We have women empowerment sessions. We focus on environmental initiatives, etc., etc. And our main goal is to teach meditation, especially for beginners, because the most important thing is harmony and peace within ourselves, and that is what we focus on. Not to waste more of your time, and we'll go ahead with the session. Before that, I would just like to give a big thanks to all the in charges, the instruments who are part of RYC and Virtue Cafe, starting with our Jyoti Didi, who is the director of Oman, Qatar, and UAE, along with the sister Jyotika. Yes, brother, thank you. There are a lot of in charges, a lot of instruments who were part of these 10 years of this journey, as you guys could see behind. So if you're one of them, you can just pat your back, and if you're somebody else, you can give a big round of applause to all of them, please. Thank you so much. And to move on, we have a small video for you of our past guest speakers who were part of 10 years of Virtue Cafe. So let's move on.
Om Shanti and Namaste, and a special congratulations to the whole Virtue Cafe team. I often hear about the different programs that you are doing. I've had the privilege to be a part of one or two of those. I know you put great work into what you do, and not only work, but it's from the heart. You put your heart and soul into these programs, and I know that, as with everything, it's drop by drop, drip by drip. You are helping other youth in the world. So it's so good to see that youth of today are spending their time utilizing this energy in a very spiritual way that is like the guiding light for the rest of the youth. In fact, there's very few places that youth can go to where they can just be and not judged or questioned or scrutinized. And I think the meditation centers are one of those places. When I did the session, I knew that it was very lively, very active. Like I said, I think the youth are very on top of everything. They're very well informed. They can see through things. They can discriminate appropriately. So I would suggest continue using that energy to keep lighting the light of others. Use your light to light up the life of others. So once again, a special congratulations and all good wishes from my heart for not just another further 10 years, but much more. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Hey there, everyone from the Virtual Cafe. This is Dan from Sydney, Australia. Just wanting to wish you a very, very happy 10th birthday. Keep up the fantastic work that you're doing. It's really awesome. The way you're contributing to society, to people's lives, helping everyone is really great. And now the the Virtue Cafe has become a virtual cafe. Hopefully it will be back to face again soon for everyone. Okay, take care, enjoy your birthday, lots of love and good wishes from Australia. Bye bye, Om Shanti.
Om Shanti to all my brothers and sisters in the United Arab Emirates and the Middle East. Congratulations on this 10th year anniversary of the Virtues Cafe. I enjoyed being with you so much. It was a wonderful exploration we did about creating the new normal. And it made me think when I was with you, some of the joy that I experienced in the gathering amongst all of you made me think about what we need for resilience right now. And I think there are probably three things. One of them, of course, is that I have some innate sense of myself as a soul, and I can connect to my own inner resources. The second, of course, that I can connect to God. I can draw power, strength, wisdom, support, love from the divine source. But the third is that I'm able to be in community, and that there are communities where I can belong. I can be in a gathering of like-minded souls who share a commitment to creating a better world by bringing their virtues, bringing the best of themselves every day, in every way, as much as possible, to our world. So I want to congratulate you for that, because I feel that's what the Virtues Cafe has been doing, and I think will continue to do, is to create this beautiful environment for souls to connect to self, to God, and then, of course, in a safe learning environment, a gathering of belonging. So congratulations and lots of love from Canada on this special 10th anniversary celebration. Om Shanti.
Hello and many, many congratulations for 10 years of Virtue Cafe. To start this initiative and to keep it going for so many years. It's a great thing you're doing to bring people together, and especially young people, to explore what I really consider to be the most important thing in life today, and that is to explore how can we upgrade ourselves, how can we upgrade our character. Now there are of course millions of meetings going on around the world at any moment, people discussing all kinds of things from politics to health-related issues to business and sport and so on. But yet to come together and to explore virtue means how can we be better individuals, better human beings. And this is really at the very heart of how we can make a contribution to improving the world. So working on virtues such as tolerance, understanding, patience, forgiveness, it helps us to improve our relationships with ourselves, and then necessarily our relationships with each other, and then the way we relate to life and the world of work, travel, and so on. And so I give you big congratulations for taking this initiative, not just to state virtues as is very common, but to really explore the nuts and bolts of virtue, how to apply those virtues in our practical lives, what kind of situations require which virtues. And so this coming together as a group to do these explorations, it's really the best thing that you can do. So many congratulations once again, good luck, and keep going.
Hello, Virtue Cafe. Virtue and cafe. If we consider virtue as an abbreviation, we can expand it as very important route to understand and empower ourselves, to understand and empower others. This journey of exploration becomes even more enjoying even more enhancing when we exchange our thoughts with like-minded friends of ours, hence Cafe. So congratulations Virtue Cafe on celebrating 10 years of uninterrupted, enjoyable, enhancing and empowering the youth, the harbingers of the new age, so that it helps them also to explore and empower themselves. Congratulations once again to the whole team of Virtue Cafe, and thanks for giving me an opportunity to be a part of this wonderful initiative. All the best.
Okay, after that empowering video, I think it was, I mean, the journey that we've taken, as you can see, the journey that we've taken with all these speakers, as Yogesh Bhai has said, that it's like we do that. We take a virtue and we reflect on it, we explore, we express, and we exchange with other youths that join. So what can come next? What can come next, Chaitya?
I think it's important to hear from people who have been a part of this, especially who's present over here. I would like, before that, this was a very nostalgia moment for me because I've been a part of this institute before even I was a youth, and I'm happy, you know, my best friend is also here. We used to be 13, 14 when we used to come to Virtue Cafe. It starts from the age of 16, but, you know, we were very adamant that, you know, we want to be a part of it. Also, moving on, I would like to invite Jyoti Didi on stage for a few words, please.
ज्योतिका तुम भी आ जाओ। Om Shanti. Is it okay I speak in Hindi? ठीक है ना, सब हम समझते हैं ना हिंदी, ट्रांसलेशन करे कोई, अरे छोड़ने पर। अरे अच्छा, सो जो शुरू से लेकर के इस यूथ कैफे में अपना भी और सेवा में भी सहयोग देते रहे, अपने भी उन्नति और उन सभी को, अभी कोई होंगे कोई नहीं होंगे, कोई नए आते रहे, सभी को दिल से बहुत बहुत मुबारक है, बधाई है ना। क्योंकि शुरू में तो आप सबको पता है कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो थोड़े होते हैं, फिर मेहनत करते जाओ, ये करते जाओ, तो सेवा आगे बढ़ती जाती है। तो ऐसे करते आज ये रूपरेखा आज ये स्थिति पर है। बाबा तो क्योंकि यूथ कैफे माना, यूथ माना कुमार और कुमारी है ना, तो हमेशा बाबा की ब्लेसिंग रही है कि यूथ चाहे तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, और कुमार और कुमारी माना कुछ कमाल करके दिखाने वाले है ना। तो बाबा के वरदानों को, माँ वाक्यों को कौन सिद्ध करेंगे, है ना, यूथ ही करेंगे ने। यूथ के अंदर फिजिकली शक्ति भी रहती है, और जितना माइंड को भी डेवलप करो, जितना है ना, जो भी कला कहो, आर्ट कहो, जो भी जितना सीखना चाहे, आगे बढ़ना चाहे, कर सकते हैं। तो क्रिएटिव माइंड सब आप सभी ने अपने अपने विशेषता कला अनुसार इसको आगे बढ़ाया। तो आप सभी को और भी आगे है ना, बाबा के महावाक्य तो सबको याद है कि हमेशा यूथ को देखते हैं, कुमार कुमारी को, तो बाबा को बहुत, बाबा को खुद को इतना उमंग उत्साह आता है कि ये बच्चे, क्योंकि दुनिया के यूथ तो अलग हैं, वो तो सब आप जानते हैं, बाबा मिसाल भी देते हैं है। यूथ चाहे तो क्या नहीं कर सकते, चाहे तो गवर्नमेंट के भी नाक में दम कर देते हैं, तो उसकी तो बात ही अलग है। पर ये तो डिवाइन यूथ है ना। ये तो शिव शक्ति पांडव से मना, भले कुमार कुमारी हैं पर कहेंगे ना पांडव हैं, शक्तियां हैं। तो ये तो डिवाइन ग्रुप, डिवाइन यूथ है। तो बहुत कुछ कमाल कर हर एक दृढ़ संकल्प, डिटर्मिनल थॉट्स रखे कि मुझे कुछ कमाल करके दिखाना है ना। एग्जाम्पल बन करके सिर्फ यूथ की नहीं, सबके लिए ये यूथ ये इतने यंग कुछ कर सकते हैं तो हम क्यों नहीं, है ना। और ऐसे बाबा को प्रत्यक्ष करने के निमित्त यूथ आगे हो, कुमार कुमारी आगे हो कुछ है, तो बाबा की ब्लेसिंग किसके ऊपर फंस जाएंगे, है ना। जो करेगा सो पाएगा, जो बाबा को प्रत्यक्ष करने के निमित्त बनेंगे, है ना। तो बाबा कहते हैं बाबा की ब्लेसिंग भी और फ्यूचर भी जो है, क्योंकि हमारा ही भाग्य बनाने के लिए तो बाबा आए हैं, हमको वर्षा देने आए, वरदान देने आए हैं। तो जो जितना लेना चाहे बाबा से, वर्षा वरदान जो भी कहो खजाने, और जितना विश्व को देंगे इतना बढ़ता भी जाएंगे, विश्व के मालिक बनना है ना। यूथ को रहता है ना कुछ, मुझे हमको कुछ बन के दिखाना है, तो दुनिया के हिसाब से तो समझते हमको पढ़ करके ये डिग्री लेनी है, ये बनना है, ऐसी पोजीशन है ना। बहुत ऊंचे ऊंचे ख्वाब तो देखते हैं ना कि हमको ऐसा वो मिले, क्या मिले, स्टेटस पोजीशन। माना दुनिया में कलयुग में तो कितना भी कोई पोजीशन वाला हो, फिर भी और बाबा के नजरों में, भगवान के नजरों में आ गए तो फिर, है ना। तो ऐसे कुछ कमाल करने वाले बनना। तो एक एक यूथ को दुआओं के सहित मैं सबको मुबारक हो। ओम शांति।
Thank you so much, Didi. Before that, this is a little bit of appreciation from our side. Also, there's a good news for all of you. There is a founding member of ours of Virtue Cafe present online. In fact, he went to India just 3 days ago, so he couldn't make it for the session live, but he's there with us online. Mr. Prakash Chugani. Can you hear me? Brother, could you can you hear me? Please unmute.
Audible, yes.
Yes, brother, we actually have one question for you. What was the ideology? What was the how did Virtue Cafe start 10 years ago? So you were one of the founding members, and what was the thought process behind it? We would like to know that.
Thanks, Chaitya. Thank you so much. And firstly, congrats to the whole team out there. I'm sure, I don't know if I can be called a founding member, but certainly was instrumental in during the starting days of Virtue Cafe. We used to have this program in Bharat and across, I think, in Australia, UK, and it used to be called Om Cafe. And the idea was to see how we could bring youth together and allow them to facilitate the entire session in a way where we just facilitate, but have them share with each other, discuss, and then bring it out in the open. Because one of the things that youth would like to do is connect with other similar type of youth with who they love to resonate with. So if you bring this youth together and just have conversations, then it's going to have a very different impact than we trying to tell them certain things. And if you have conversations around virtues, then with a mug of coffee that everybody has in their hand, there are some very interesting things. We just go out there, we don't know what's going to emerge, but we trust that when they're having conversations on virtues, it's the best that will ever come out. And this is obviously his inspirations from Bap Dada, where he would ask us to just facilitate these programs, bring people of different sectors, of different age groups, and be a facilitator. Rather than telling them, just see how you can facilitate, and then they watch us, and they also want to come closer. And so it's a very interesting way in which we could help all the youth interestingly develop. So from Om Cafe, we said what would be more relevant for the youth over here would be Virtue Cafe. And that's how Virtue Cafe emerged. And it's been 10 years and it's been going very well, thanks to the support from the center in Dubai, and of course, everybody else who are so forthcoming and ready to give their little finger of support. And to a large extent, I feel this is for us, the facilitators. The whole program is helping us strengthen our own virtues and to bring that in this particular program. So when we are facilitating for others, it's not what we say to them, or it's not what we probably try and do as well, but I think it's the way we behave. It's through our virtues and our own values that we are able to support them, and they're able to see a live space where, okay, if we can see youth around us and they are able to do things with such wonderful values, it's going to be great that we also imbibe them. So I felt it's a good way where we can inspire the youth to show them there is a possibility of this side as well, and we can all do it together, and that's the future. So yeah, I think everybody is, whoever's here, whoever's not here, has been instrumental in bringing this forward, and congratulations, well done. And I'm sure from here it's just the flying stage now, and I can see how it's going to go from strength to strength. So wishing you all the very best.
Thank you so much, Brother Prakash. This idea, I would just like to say that, it's become a building block for a lot of people's personality who are present over here. So thank you so much. Also moving on, last but not the least, we have Sister Jyotika with us over here. Sister, if you could come on stage for 2 minutes. So we got to know about the history of Virtue Cafe. This might sound like an interview question, Sister, but where do you see Virtue Cafe in the next 5 years?
Thank you, Chaitya, for this beautiful question. But I was just trying to recall from where all we have come to this stage. Sitting behind there, I was recalling how we had once met at the Barjuman Center, I think, or Musalla Tower, that mall, and so many other setup we had met just to create that cafe atmosphere. And also all the like-minded friends were there to discuss on various virtues. So we had a very lovely journey of 10 years until now. And when the past was so great, I'm sure the future will be the best. And I just have one pure wish that the richness of the team, the Virtue Cafe team, reaches each and every corner of this country specifically, but in fact, the whole region and the whole world. If you see each and every facilitator of the team and the member, if you know their history of how they have very ardently practiced meditation and have become the foundation for many other youth to follow. So it is a very rich team, the team with rich experiences. And two things I have in my mind. Always one of the titles that is given to the youth is that you are peacemakers. And how is that possible? And we are in the middle, those who are youth. If you see the whole life journey, we are in the middle. On the top, we have our seniors, and we really have the cream, the experience, the practical richness, practical experience that they have hands-on. And we have the direct access to that experience from them. And we have a lot of enthusiasm and bubbling spirits from our youngsters. So being in the middle, being in the youth age, we have access to these two, the great treasures. And let us use these two things and then move forward in such a way that really there is hope in the world. We should be able to create that hope in the world. in the last 1.5 years, the world has gone through so many upheaval, and we all look forward to a ray of hope. The ray of hope for peace, for happiness, for safety, for security of everyone, for the progress of everyone. And one of the things that becomes the foundation stone is actually when the values are lived practically, when we live the values, not just talk values, but when we live values. And this is the main reason why we all come together in the Virtue Cafe. So definitely for the next 5 years, I'm sure we will grow together to the full strength, reaching out to everyone. Those whom we know will be able to involve them, and together we will make such a progress that we bring about the best from everyone. Thank you. Om Shanti. So many congratulations to the whole team of youth. I think they deserve a very big round of applause from all of us. To everyone, to each and everyone in the Virtue Cafe team. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sister Jyotika, for those really inspirational words. And we really hope to take this forward. Not in fact hope, we have a really big vision as a team, as the facilitators of Virtue Cafe. And we're super excited to be on this journey with all of you. Of course, we've asked everyone questions right now, but we want to ask the participants a question, and this is for all online and offline. As a youth, what is your vision for you yourself and the youth around you, and how us, Virtue Cafe, the team of Virtue Cafe, how can we help you achieve that? If anyone would like to ponder on this and just give us a few lines of your on your take, just your take on what you feel, how we can contribute. So it's open, the chat box is open for those on Zoom. If you want to unmute yourself, please just give a shout out, and we'll have someone unmute you. But just it's open for everyone, so anyone offline who would like to speak or answer this question, that youth, as you yourself, what is your vision? How do you see us helping you achieve what your vision is for you and the people around you? So just a few minutes if someone can speak. Anyone? Come on.
So what kind of energy I wanted to create for myself, for the surrounding. So if it is like, if I use this physical energy, if it's a violent way, it is not going to help anybody. So I choose to be more using this power of peace and power of love to bring some changes first within myself, to control myself, and also share those energy with the youth around or whoever around me. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone would like to answer the second part of this question, that how can we as Virtue Cafe help achieve that vision? Anyone online? Krishna, Piyush? Krishna, would you like to speak? We can't hear you, Krishna. Okay, moving on.
I think he's trying to say that he wants to be more silent.
Krishna, you're already more silent. Okay, by organizing more. Yes. Smita, we're definitely planning to do more for sure. We have so many new exciting, journeys coming through. Going forward, we have a lot of things planned for the youth, and keep joining with us. That's all we hope, that we see all of you that have joined online in the future, joining us for all our sessions every month. Yes, can we accept that? All good? Please react. Zoom. Yeah. Good. Okay. All right, great. So I think we've had quite a few Q&As back and forth. We've seen a lot of videos. We've seen too many things, right? I think, don't you think it's too much, right? We've seen a lot. Is it? Do you think we should do an activity? Yeah? Activity? All for activity? Okay, great. So, Chaitya, would you like to join me, please?
100%.
All right. So the activity is very simple. Actually, we've been playing this since childhood, haven't we? I think he's one generation younger than me. He's also played it. So we are playing name, place, animal thing, but it's an adaptation. It's a celebration, right? So we need to celebrate. So it has to be an adaptation. So instead of name, place, animal thing, we're doing gift items, which is basically things. So it could be, a handbag or a coffee mug or a flower, or it could be something related to gift items that you would gift someone, or you want to receive that gift, like something like that. Okay. And place and
There's going to be gift, there's going to be place, there's going to be
goal and aim.
Goal or aim.
Yeah. And virtue. Okay. So we have virtue, gift, goal, and place. So does everybody know how to play name, place, animal thing, or should we go over the rules?
So what we do is basically, I'm going to call out Chaitanya. I'm going to say start to him, and he'll be saying all the alphabets, all the letters in his mind. And when I say stop, whichever letter comes to his mind, whichever letter he's on, for example, if it's S, you need to quickly type it down or write it down, all the gifts, all the one gift, one thing, one virtue, and one aim for yourself from the letter S. And whoever finishes first is the winner, kind of, and will be saying it aloud. So that's going to be the game. And I think we are focusing more on being more environmental friendly. So if you have a phone with you, you can type it down quickly over there. If you don't, you can take the paper and pen which is being distributed right now.
Only if you need the paper, use it. Otherwise, it's fine. We can just do it on the phone. That will be much easier, I feel, for everyone. Yeah. For those online, please take a pen, paper, or just,
For everybody online, they should type it down, right?
Yeah, you can type it out in the chat box. I think that will be more engaging. So just type it out in the chat box, please. We'll give you the alphabet.
It's gift, it's virtue, it's place, and goal. No. I just said aim instead of goal.
So your goal could be that, okay, suppose it's D, okay? So I'll take D. Now my goal could be that I wanted to be a doctor, okay? But I'm not. I wanted to be a doctor. So D, doctor, okay? The gift item could be, what could be a gift item with D? Doll. Okay, thank you so much, Shweta, for that contribution. And the place could be Darjeeling. The virtue could be determination. Okay, everybody clear on the game? Okay, shall we start? Online, everybody, are you there? Are you active? Are we playing the game with you guys? Yes, okay, great, awesome. Thank you so much for the interaction. And let's start, I think. Okay.
It's written over there. If anybody wants to give.
Virtue, place, and goal. Yeah. So goal can be anything, your aim in life, or with that particular alphabet. Okay.
So like if it's D, then my goal would be to adopt a dog. So if my mom is listening, please agree to it.
Okay. Perfect. So let's start. Who's gonna do the alphabet?
Good. So when I say start, you think of alphabet, and when I say stop, whichever comes in your mind first, you need to shout it loud. Okay, start. Stop. W. W. He purposely said that.
We have W, the letter W, please, all online. The letter is W. Okay, so a gift item, virtue, place, and goal. By the way, the first person who finishes, that's the timer. You have a timer.
Brother Prakash finished it first.
Tick, tick 1, tick, tick 2, tick, tick 3, tick, tick 4, tick, tick 5. Finished. Okay. Let's read out. Okay. Anyone here offline who has completed? Do you want to read your... Okay. Can you read out loud?
Gift is watch. Virtue is wisdom. Gift is watch. Virtue, wisdom. Place, West Indies. And goal is willpower.
Much. So we have some from online. Mr. Prakash has said wheat brand, wisdom, Westminster, and welder. Okay.
Mr.
Right.
Keyur is out of the game before it starts as well.
It's W, Mr. Keyur. Okay. Anyone else want to read out their words? Almost same? Okay. Then let's proceed with the next one. What is your goal? World ruler. Wow, what a goal. Okay, great. Let's go to the next letter then.
Yeah. Start. Stop. Don't say X. Huh? L. The letter L.
Letter L, please. And remember, there's a timer. Whoever finishes first, it's over. That's it. That's all the time you get. So when you're done, please either raise your hand online, and those here, please just shout out.
People who are online, please type all of them together. Finished.
Okay, we have someone who's finished offline. Any more inputs from people online? Just please type it in the chat box. Okay. Yes, Madeline, please take us through what you've typed out.
So for gift, it's lantern. Virtue, love. Place, Lebanon. Goal, live happily.
Okay, amazing. All right. Those online, we have some. Okay. Latch, love. London, love traveling. Okay. London. Okay. The same, almost same. Laptop, love. Lanka, lean looking. Prakash, I don't think, Mr. Prakash, I don't think you're lean.
That's why you finished the fastest.
Okay, great. Next, do we have time for one? Okay.
One more?
One more letter. Only one more letter. Last
Chaitanya,
letter,
ready?
please.
Start. Stop. The letter Q.
Okay, the letter is Q, everyone. Thank you so much, Smita. Love London lollipops, lady. We're done with that. Please go to letter Q. Q. No? Still thinking?
All the males over here, please don't write as an aim of becoming a queen. The girls can try that.
But we can become queen also.
Right.
We can become queen. That's okay. It's fine.
I need to take typing lessons from Brother Prakash. How quick he is.
Quill, quality driven, Quebec, quietude. Oh, wow. Additional goal, question free. Amazing, Prakash. Thank you so much.
I need to Google half of them.
Quill is that art. It's like
Yeah, that's
art
the only one I
form.
know. Anybody over here would like to share? Or out of all the previous ones, if there's anything specific you'd like to talk about?
Karthik, anyone, do you want to share? Karthik? Q, come on, anything with Q. Okay, all right. I think let's just read out what we have and then we'll proceed further. Quill, quality driven, Quebec, and quietude.
Who's
Okay,
typing
we
this?
have only that. Quieting the mind as goal. That's amazing. Anyone? Q? Anyone completed here offline? No? Okay, it's fine. All right, okay. Let's move forward. We have, before we go further and end and close this session, we have a small presentation, I would say. It's very small. It's really very small. And it's just basically a view of all of our past takeaways from all the sessions that we've held of Virtue Cafe. Just an overview, just a few pointers that you can take with you as well today. And I would like to present, yes. So we, as Virtue Cafe, the team invites you to take you on this journey with us of feeling connected and creating a new normal. So we've actually had these two topics in the past. We've done these two topics. And the takeaways from that was, I'm the creator of my life. My choices create the normality in my life. And we create our lives with the paintbrush of our thoughts. That's such a powerful message. With a paintbrush of our thoughts. Focus on connecting with the true self. Discard waste thoughts to be more connected with the self. As soon as we put a full stop to waste thoughts, this is how we can move further. Next slide, please. From being reactive to creative, we are nurturing self-love. From being reactive to creative, we are nurturing self-love. The takeaway from that was, for every problem, it's not just one solution. No, it's not just one solution. There are hundreds of solutions. There are hundreds of, inspirations, ideas that you can take for that one problem. It is the child in us who is creative, not the adult. I think from this, session, this is the most enjoyable takeaway that we had, that it is the child in us that is creative, and we need to bring that child out. Realize that you are true love. You are unique. Once you have that realization, nothing can stop you. Fill your own cup and then fill others as well. Make sure there are no leaks in your cup. That is another powerful point. Next slide, please. Learning the art of self-mastery and using an ancient wisdom for a stable life. Now, the ancient wisdom session that we had, our speaker, our guest speaker, he took the most ancient thing possible, the number 0. He literally took that as his starting point for the entire session, and it was amazing. It was an empowering journey through that session. The takeaway was self-development plan. Do not reason with doubt, just put a full stop. That is the self-development plan. It's that simple. Do not reason or fight with doubt, just put a full stop to it. Being able to nourish the soul with honesty and authenticity to give myself time in silence. The power of silence, we keep hearing this, the power of silence. This is that, give yourself time, that authenticity, that honesty to yourself, not to others, first to yourself. The ancient wisdom of finding my true self, information that we take in is how we value that information. Next slide, please. Leading us to healing. After all of these sessions, we've been led to healing with high vibrations and unveiling the sweet music of the soul. Nature heals us. In return, we have the power to heal nature. That is an amazing point. We had to broadcast this everywhere, that we have the power as well to heal nature. We have our mindscape. Like during COVID lockdown, people were complaining, oh, we can't travel, we can't go here, we can't go there. In this session, we literally learned that it's all in our mind. You can go anywhere you want if you have that power in your mind. We have our mindscape. You do not need to visit a landscape to experience nature. You can experience the same with your mind. We all have creativity in us. Take time for yourself, because creativity is the future of the world. Thank you so much. Next slide. Thank you. This is just a short takeaway of all that we've done in the past, 1 year actually, and more than that we've done offline, and it's been a great journey. Now we would like to invite Jyoti Didi for cake cutting, please. Online, please stay with us. We're going to show you the visual. We're all here. Please stay. Yes. Okay. Please adjust the camera frame, brother. Yeah.
Sister Smita.
Easy go. Yeah. Please, the facilitators team as well of Virtue Cafe, please join us. All of them, please. Shweta, Sangeeta. For those who are joining us online, Mr. Prakash, Mr. Krishna, Piyush. Satish.
All the facilitators were part of making this session. Please come ahead. Brother Satish, our IT boy. बार बार
For all of you online, please enjoy with us. Thank you so much for joining us. We loved having you here with us, and we're just cutting the cake right now.
Happy birthday, Sundar.
Fantastic evening, and this is
What a fantastic moment. 10 years of Virtual Cafe. Amazing celebration.
I know, I'm excited, but to see more in the future.
What a moment, right? What a moment.
We have to expand.
we do. All of those online, where all are you from? We'll expand there. We'll come there to you. Please switch on your videos. We're taking a group photo. We have you here behind us on a projector. If you all, we request you all to switch on your videos. Please. Pushpa, Sonia,
Ankita.
Albert. Could you switch on your videos, please?
Hello, hello. Vishant bhai. Excellent.
We're still taking one more.
23 photos taken.
To all of you online who've joined, thank you so much. And we hope to see you in the next, session that we have. Yeah, we'll give you the virtual cake. And we hope to see you in the Virtue Cafe that we have coming up. It's going to be on the 29th of October. So we hope to see you there. Great. Thank you so much, Mrs. Bharti. The director is waving at you all. So it's a very blissful and inspirational moment that we have here. And hope to see you all in the future upcoming ones. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
If you guys could stay for the next 10-15 minutes, please. The cake cutting was done, but the cake eating is left. And there's also a little bit of surprise for everybody here. So please stay for another 10-15 minutes.
For all a visual, those of you online, we have a special suite that the director Jyoti Didi herself is going to be handing out. We also have a gift item and we have some blessing cards. So we hope to see you all soon here physically. And thank you so much, Mr. Prakash, for your kind words and your enthusiasm. Thank you so much, Krishna. Thank you so much to all of you for joining us. BK Rajkumar, Pandurang, we've seen you regularly. Sonia, Maheen, Jyoti, Pushpa, Mrs. Lata, thank you. Keir Sangvi, yes, we see you. Sister Bella, thank you so much for joining.